We're seeing a big bounce for Bitcoin and crypto of my orange line here. The question is, can we trust this move towards the upside? Today, guys, I am going to be talking about exactly that. I will update you on altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, XRP. I will talk about the crypto market in general. I will talk about my trading strategies, of course. And also I will go through everything you need to know ahead of the major day that is coming up, which is on Friday. And there is a big thing that is going to be announced this Friday, and I need to talk you through it right now. So guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what you can see here for Bitcoin is that we actually dipped below yesterday. We dipped below $81,400 here, and we came very close to actually being below $81,000. Now, you know that I've been sticking to my prediction that I don't think that we are going to close below $81,000. And that remains my stance right now. But there was a lot of people here that actually thought that yesterday was the day when we were going to close below $81,000, just simply because we were so close to it right here. But let us now look at what Bitcoin did since then. So we did have another big bounce off of my level here at 80, or at the orange line. What you can also see is that we have a trend here of making higher lows on this trend line right here on the candle closing basis. So things are looking pretty okay right now for Bitcoin. But we know that we need to be prepared for big volatility here. But the bulls are defending this orange line with everything they have. And I remain bullish here on the shorter time frames. And it will remain like that until we close below $81,000, which I don't think is going to happen. So yeah, I remain bullish here on every single time frame for Bitcoin. Now, if you look at the altcoins, you can see that Ethereum right now is trying to break above key resistance at my orange line, $2,200. So let's keep our eyes on that. If you look at Solana, we are in the middle here of two trend lines. So next level of resistance will be 149. Looking at Doge, Doge is still trending downwards here. So not looking extremely good for Doge. For Cardano, it's looking better. Cardano is having a big bounce off of my support level at 80 cents. And you can see that on the exact dollar, we went up to my orange line here and got rejected on the exact dollar here of my orange line at 98.5 cents. So if you look at XRP, same thing with XRP. We're finding support right now of my level at $2.40. So for most of the altcoins, I would say except Doge, all of the other altcoins are looking pretty decent. If Ethereum can break through this point here, I am expecting us to pump upwards to $2,400 as well. So that's looking good. If you look at Bitcoin, we do have, if we extend this one, you can see that we do have the yellow dotted line resistance coming up at about $90,000 or $91,000. So that is one key level we need to be aware of as well. But Bitcoin, just expect this to continue to be volatile here. If you look at the others chart, the total chart, we are right now trying to slowly, after this rounded kind of bottom here, we're slowly trying to approach $2.95 trillion again. Let's see if we can break through it. But the most important things for smaller altcoins, guys, is that the others chart, you can see that yesterday I said that I was worried because this candle right here, if we closed below this orange line here on the others chart and started to consolidate below this point, I would be very worried. But the good thing is that we actually did rally above this point, and now we are above this key level of support here for the others chart. So things are looking okay for crypto in general. For Bitcoin, I would say it's looking good because we are still above the $81,000. So if anything, I would say that this is a good buying opportunity still. And I believe that this $81,000, we're not going to close below $81,000. That is my belief, not financial advice, of course. But I am sticking to that. And if we close below $81,000, yes, then I am going to reevaluate my stance here moving forward. For traditional markets, you can see that traditional markets had a huge drop yesterday. It continues to be more or less in a free fall here. We did see a little bit of a bounce as we came close to my orange line at 5,728. So yeah, let's see if we can now stay above this, or if this is going to once again start to roll over and start to go down. But traditional markets, big support here at 5,730, my orange line, holding up the traditional markets here as well. So before we talk about the important stuff that happened today and yesterday with the tariffs, let us quickly talk about my trading strategy. So currently I'm down $360,000 on my trading strategies here. And you can see that my Bitcoin strategy, the first one, it is currently below range still. So we need to go up to $88,000 for this to start trading again, but $86,000 in profit on this one. The Ethereum bots are not doing extremely well. $250,000 almost at a loss right here, which would have been almost $400,000 at a loss if I did not use my strategy. So I'm very happy that at least I am having a little bit of profit here on the algorithm to compensate for the big loss. Looking at Solana, my first Solana bot also down $173,000. My first Doge bot is down $135,000. My XRP bot is doing good, up $30,000. My Cardano bot is doing really good, up $80,000. My second Ethereum bot is down $20,000. And my second Bitcoin bot is up $11,000. My second Solana bot is up 12. So that's good to see. The new 100x challenge is up 13% right now, or 14% almost. And I am still working on replicating the old bot, guys. So the trading range is still out of range for my old bot, but I will continue to update you moving forward. But things are still looking pretty good here for my trading strategies. And I do have a big update coming to you in regards to these trading strategies in the next few days, guys. So make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And if you want to get into my trading strategies, now you're able to get in at a much lower price compared to just a few days, a few weeks ago. You can go down and sign up to Pionex first using this link, and then claim the deposit bonuses using this link. And then you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, XRP, and any other altcoin you might be interested in. You have it also on these links, or in this link right here. So make sure to take advantage of that. Also, make sure to check out my favorite exchanges to trade on down in the description. You have them all listed here. Big deposit bonuses available here. So let us continue now. So what happened the last 24 hours? So Lutnick said that Trump may actually roll back the Canada and Mexico tariffs tomorrow, which is today. So this sparked a lot of optimism in the market, and that there could be a tariff compromise announcement tomorrow, which is again today. So that will be interesting to see. If you continue here, Ontario, so Canada, says that if the tariffs persist, we will immediately apply a 25% surcharge on the electricity we export to New York City, Michigan, and Minnesota. So if we continue, Trump says that when Canada puts on retaliatory tariffs on us, then there will be more, even more tariffs. It will increase by the same amount. So there's going to be a tariff war. We're going to end up at like 200% tariffs on everything in the world probably soon. So if this continues, so that's crazy to see. China is also imposing now a 10 to 15% tariff on the US. And also on good news, Zelensky is actually, after the argument in the Oval Office, he says that it is regrettable that it happened this way. And also what's coming out here is that he said it is time to make things right. So maybe we can get an end to the war finally, which will be bullish for crypto. So that will be bullish for the world and humanity, of course, as well. And then finally, the big one. So on Friday, Michael Saylor has been invited to the Digital Asset Summit at the White House. So it is hosted by the president. And here's the thing, guys. This makes it likely that it could be something in regards to a strategic crypto reserve being announced on Friday, or something about it anyway. So Michael Saylor is of course going to go there and try to convince Donald Trump and these other people that we should only add Bitcoin to the strategic reserve. Anyway, we will see what comes out of this, but it is bullish in my opinion that Michael Saylor is invited to the summit. So that will be very amazing to see. But guys, that is really the updates I have for you today. I'm still bullish. I still believe that we are not going to close below $81,000. I'm still using my trading strategies. I still think that they are going to, within a short space of time, maybe not short space of time, but eventually they are going to be at extreme profits. So if anything, this is just, in my opinion, a good buying opportunity. I still believe we're in a bull market. I still believe that Bitcoin is going to go up to much higher prices. So that is all fine, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.